sees that opportunity, gets forward, so casual that pressure on Robert Taylor. Everyone going, okay, I'm gonna drop up. I'm gonna drop up. It's just sitting there gliding past people, plays a little pass in, and it's just been way too easy. There's been moments where Philly have been combative, but the goals have been from just slight and really effortless defensive moments that have now put them down 3-0.
It is 3-0 Inter Miami at halftime. Inter Miami halfway to the Leagues Cup final. The winner of this match will face the winner of Monterrey and Nashville. We'll look ahead to that one when we come back at halftime.
Chevy Silverado has what it takes to do it all. With up to 13 camera views and the C71 off-road package.